Today I'm going to give you a tour of my ocean view state room. Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Steph here, and today we're on board the beautiful Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Seas. I am so excited to be here because she is cruising out of LA. Royal Caribbean has not cruised out of LA in 10 years, so I'm very excited. If you watched my embarkation video, you see that it's just an hour flight instead of 5 hours, so it was really nice to just fly straight to the ship, not have to come in the day before. A lot of you commented about not making an embarkation day commentary, and that's because my vlogging kit was put up in my suitcase and I had to come join the ship as soon as I got here, and I don't have my vlogging kit out when I'm flying and all of that, so I apologize, but I will let you know in another video what my embarkation day experience was like. Was it perfect? No, but is anything ever perfect? Anyway, today I'm going to give you a tour of my ocean view state room, and it's a beautiful room, but this is going to be a little different because I've already moved in. I had to unpack yesterday because my shows are tonight. For those of you that are new to my channel, I'm an entertainer for Royal Caribbean, so I do a tribute to Whitney Houston, so I had to hurry up and get unpacked and get situated and set up. But after we do the shows, I'll be vlogging the ship for the rest of the cruise. Now, before we get into it, you all know how we do. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Let's get into it.
To me, I'm choosing royal, best ships that I've ever seen. I'm choosing royal, oh, they treat me like a queen. Just come and say, I'm choosing royal, oh, cause they're so good to me. I'm choosing.
Now, before we get into it, I want to explain what I've been holding in my hand. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a selfie CD. I was selling out of these, SEAD, by the way. I was selling out of these things before the cruise shut down. This is a very special project. I produced and played all of the instruments, put this record out myself, wrote all of the music, played every single instrument, mixed it, everything, and I'm really proud of this project. This is the first of many. There's more to come, but as you all know, I'm a domestic abuse survivor, and one of the things that my ex used to tell me was that I needed him to do all of my music for me, and you know, I wouldn't amount to anything without him. So this was kind of my revenge, I guess, or a way of proving him wrong. Anyway, you can only get these off of me, whatever ship I'm on. So if you are on board the Navigator of the Seas between February 21st and April 15th, you can pick them up in the port and merchant shops. That's the only time you'll be able to get them on the Navigator. Then they'll be gone. So if you're on the ship right now, or if you're coming, even if I'm not on your cruise, they will still be in the port and merchant shops located on deck 5, okay? Still be there until April 15th. I only have 40 copies available. I know this is my test just to see how many I'll sell. They are $20 in the gift shop. They are autographed. I'll show you in case you do not believe me. I did sign each and every copy. So please pick one of those up. It's going to help this channel. You'll be contributing to me getting a new vlogging camera, new editing software. It's all about you. It's not to go shopping. If you pick up one of those selfie CDs, I'll hold it up again, sorry. You will be helping out this channel by going and picking one up. So please do. Okay, now let's do a room tour. Again, I've already moved in, so I guess this is gonna show you how I set up my cabin, because I'm gonna be here for a while, so I like things to feel as homey as possible. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the view when you first come in. I will explain why I have everything set up the way that I want it to be set up, but this is your ocean view. As you can see, I love that there's no table in the middle of the floor. Like, I always put that coffee table or whatever you call it in the corner because I just like open floor space, okay? So I'm going to, let's open the closet first. Let's just get right into it. So I like to hang everything up. Rehearsal jackets, gowns, sweaters. It's a little chill again, so I have all of my workout clothes. Yes, you got to pack a lot of workout clothes. Shoes. That's my collapsible dirty clothes hamper. A must-have if you are traveling, because who wants dirty clothes sitting around on the floor? Here's my couch. Again, my shows are tonight, so this is my new rehearsal bag. I'm so excited. The last video I had, you saw I was carrying everything like separately, so this will allow me to put everything in one spot. This is my little like work fanny pack that I'm taking to the gym. There's my Maxi Poo Poolicious. Hi, Max. And I'm in love with this thing. I just got it. It's a Smart Devil H2O humidifier. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like 17 bucks. Anyway, sometimes when you have an ocean view cabin and not a balcony, it's hard to get like moisture, fresh air, you know. And I like to have, because you know the air conditioning like dries out the air. So this is amazing. I just used it for the first time last night. This is my little speaker, just so I can have my jams. Gets good sound. Hi, Maxie. And also, if you get one of these, you can plug it right into your USB in your phone. Okay. Speaking of chargers, let's make my way over here. I know you're like, damn, that's a lot of makeup, but it is. I like to play around in makeup. I have all of my skin products. Like, I don't play around when I travel. Like, if I'm gonna be here for a minute, I like to have everything as if I normally had it at home. So this is my little setup. Now this thing is cool. I got it in the airport. I don't know where I got it. I've had this thing for years. Anyway, I know it looks crazy right now because I didn't untangle it, but on ships there's not really an outlet right next to the bed, right? So I love this thing because it has a long cord, which I won't be untangling right now. I don't have time. But anyway, the cord is really long. It has 4 different outlets, so I can charge my phone, speaker box, everything right here with this thing. I got it in the airport. I cannot remember where I got it. I'm so sorry. Anyway, let's keep moving. This is our refrigerator. Nothing's in here. I never use the fridge, but there. Oh, see, I don't even know how to open it. Anyway, there's the fridge. There's nothing in there. This is my bed. Very comfortable. I love this little blanket. I just got it. I needed a new airport travel blanket, and I just like to have that on my bed as well. I got some new satin pink pillowcases. My bedroom at home is teal and pink, so that's why I have the teal and pink set up, right? And then this is our lovely view of the ocean. Again, this is your ocean view. And we're sailing to Mexico. We're off the coast of Los Angeles, West Coast, West Side. And I'll turn around and give you a full view of the room. Oh, my water and my peanuts. Peanuts. So let's go to the bathroom. All right, again, I've already moved in, so these are my pajamas. I like my pajamas hanging on the door. Yes, I pack a lot of pajamas because I just wanted to feel homey. This is the shower with all of my little skin products in there. The toilet, my scale, of course. Gotta travel with that scale. The scale will keep you in check. And simple, right? And here's the view when you come out of the bathroom. You have a full-length mirror. Well, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, we are at 849 subscribers. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you are on board the Navigator of the Seas right now for this February 21st through, it's a 7-day cruise, so the 28th I think it ends. I don't know. Anyway, comment below, say hello, come to the show. I'll see you. Oh, that rhymed. Aw, say hello, comment below, come to the show. Anyway, thank you all so much for supporting this channel. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Hey! Lady, thanks you for watching.